After completing the enriching journey through our baby, toddler, kinder and pre-primary programs, it's time for the next exciting chapter, the SHICHIDA Primary Class. A dynamic program designed to empower young learners as they take bold steps into their school years, filled with deeper thinking, growing independence, and a world of new possibilities. Welcome to the SHICHIDA Primary Program, designed especially for children aged 7 to 9. This is a unique 3-year journey, where each class runs for 90 minutes once a week. With a maximum of only 8 to 10 students per class, your child receives the personalised attention they deserve. New classes begin at the start of each year, typically on a weekday at 4:30 p.m. To enrol, students must have completed pre-primary level 4. The primary school program is a natural progression from our earlier stages. It's designed to nurture high-level thinking skills, independence, and a strong sense of purpose in every child. At SHICHIDA, our goal is simple: to raise children who dream big, think deeply, and lead with heart. We want them to become curious learners who are not only academically capable, but also emotionally and socially aware. We instill qualities that go beyond academics: leadership, empathy, and vision. In this program, children develop a strong sense of self-discipline, passion, and purpose. They learn to prioritise relationships, improve themselves continually, and understand the world with a broader perspective.
So it was called the What Matters writing competition, and the prompt is what matters, the things that are important to young Australians. And so a lot of people were writing about climate change, like feminism, racism, a lot of issues that were important to them. And I wrote mine not on any of those issues in particular, but more about community, focusing on the people around me who are important, just as important as the big issues.
So what exactly happens in a SHICHIDA Primary Program class? It's a dynamic blend of memory training, critical thinking, creative expression, and academic development. Activities include high-speed recall, flash addition, word capital memorisation, debating, science experiments, composition writing, and more, all crafted to unlock each child's potential. As Professor Makoto Shichida once said,
"Raising children with kind hearts, big dreams, and full of talents."
That vision guides everything we do.
Luke Eaton is a wildlife warrior on a mission to change the world. At just 11 years old, he's already been recognised for his efforts to save endangered orangutans from the destructive palm oil industry.
Each session begins with words to Polish My Heart, uplifting sayings that teach kindness, perseverance, and respect. These words help children understand how to treat themselves and others with compassion and confidence.
If you live to help others, luck will turn your way and your life will be beautiful.
Next, we explore Humanics, a monthly feature that introduces children to real historical figures who changed the world. These are people who overcame adversity, pursued their dreams, and made meaningful contributions to society. To bring their stories to life, we integrate speed reading with Humanics. Children not only read about these figures, but also answer comprehension questions and complete research tasks to deepen their understanding and curiosity. Image training continues in the primary program, helping children visualise success and overcome challenges. These guided mental exercises teach them how to control the images they see in their minds, boosting self-confidence, focus, and resilience. Every child's journey is supported by a detailed student record sheet. This ensures personalised progress tracking and targeted support, helping each student grow at their own pace. Memory is a major focus in the primary program. Through a variety of activities, we strengthen different aspects of memory: visual, auditory, sequential, and more. One creative method is mandala, which combines art and memory. Children recreate intricate designs, boosting focus, spatial recognition, and visual retention. In grid memory, children complete increasingly complex grids, first half, then full, developing short-term memory and attention to detail. Playing card peg memory is another engaging tool. Children learn to associate a picture and word with each card, eventually memorizing all 52 using imaginative stories. To broaden global awareness, we introduce language mnemonics. Children learn simple phrases in 6 different languages: Mandarin, Japanese, German, Italian, Spanish, and French, boosting both memory and curiosity for cultures. We also teach memory through pi and capital cities, using rhythm and repetition to make information stick. Linking memory connects images or ideas in sequence, helping children train their logical memory while enhancing creativity. Then we have flash addition, a series of numbers flashed in rapid succession. Students quickly calculate the total, activating the brain's parallel processing and mental arithmetic skills.
No, I forgot the numbers. There's 172. 172. 172.
In changing scenery, students observe 2 nearly identical images and identify subtle changes. This sharpens observation and visual comparison skills. We also introduce recitations, meaningful passages children memorize each month. Using a technique called bone conduction, they cover their ears to hear their voice internally. This deepens focus and enhances long-term memory. Our speed reading program starts with 1 line of text per page and gradually increases to 5. Children use eidetic memory, taking mental snapshots, and later recall the story in detail. We build on this with wave reading and speed writing. In 1-minute writing, students memorize a page, then write it out with full accuracy, including punctuation. In wave reading, children are blindfolded and given a book to sense its content, building intuitive comprehension. Mazes are more than puzzles. They strengthen concentration, resilience, and strategic thinking in a fun and engaging way. In numeracy, children learn multiplication tables up to 29 through song and repetition. They then progress to high-speed double-digit multiplication, sharpening calculation speed and confidence. We also explore a variety of mathematical concepts, encouraging creative and flexible thinking with numbers. Right brain worksheets introduce visual and logical challenges that grow intelligence, critical thinking, and intuition. We guide students through composition writing using the Da Vinci Mind Map, a tool that fosters creative, structured, and versatile expression across different writing styles. Then comes self-editing, where students plan, revise, and refine their own work. This teaches responsibility and mastery over the writing process. Debates and group discussions build public speaking skills, confidence, and logical reasoning. Children learn to articulate ideas clearly and respectfully. And finally, experiments and discoveries bring science to life. Through hands-on activities, children explore theories and build practical understanding of the world around them.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
And yes, all of this happens in just one class, once a week, for 90 minutes. From memory training to math mastery, image training to science discovery. It's a powerful blend of right and left brain learning, all thoughtfully integrated into every single session. This isn't your ordinary classroom. It's a whole brain learning experience, designed to grow thinkers, creators, leaders. Ready to take the next step in your child's learning journey? Scan the QR code on your screen to download our detailed SHICHIDA Primary School Program Guide. For any questions or to learn more about our program, simply speak to our friendly team at your local SHICHIDA centre. We're here to support your child's next big leap.